Hello friends and welcome to our debate show. I am Prasad Kandekar and today's topic is, should Chinese products be banned in India or not? India is requesting United Nations to list Masood Azhar, a global terrorist who is a chief of Jaish-e-Mohammed. But all countries support the moves except China. China uses its veto power and stop India to list Masood Azhar as an international or global terrorist. So there are many protests in India to ban Chinese goods and products as their quality is concerned and they are cheaper prices. But there are many protests in India to ban Chinese products. Not only in India, but people of other countries are also protesting against China to ban Chinese goods. So let us see. So let us see the debate between Mr. Achu and Mr. Kadu. They both have their perspective. One talk about positivity and another talk about negativity. There are two sides of coins. So let us see these sides. So let us start our today's show. Hello, I am Mr. Achu and I will talk in favor that Chinese products should be banned in India completely. And I am Mr. Kadu and I will talk against that Chinese products should be banned in India completely. I will try my best to prove my point, but I will give first chance to my opponent and ask for their opinion that China is blocking India's bid to list Masood Azhar as a global terrorist. Not only this, China is blocking India to become a member of Nuclear Suppliers Group in United Nations Security Council by using its veto power. On the other hand, China is trying to maintain good trade relations with India, but on the other hand, it is against India in many cases. It is against India in many cases, like China is supporting Pakistan as Pakistan is our biggest enemy. So my first point is maintaining good relationship will be harmful in future for India. So, but Mr. Achu, as India is a part of WTO, World Trade Organization, India cannot simply ban Chinese products or goods, and Chinese goods are cheaper than Indian domestic market. So, poor people and middle class people will be forced to spend more money on buying the same product or of same quality. So, my opinion is Chinese products should not be. But Mr. Kadu, because of Chinese toys, many toy industries of India were closed down, and recently it was found that Chinese products such as firecrackers and plastic toys are hazard for environment and for health. So why should we use Chinese products? Okay, but what about other products like computer hardware, which India is fully dependent on China, because China is a major hub for computer hardware, because there are many cheaper computer hardware than other countries. If we buy from other countries, it will cost more and finally the product cost will be increased. So we should not say that we should ban China completely. Yes, we should ban China's firecrackers and plastic toys because they are harmful for nature. Okay, but for some products and capital goods for industries, no alternative is rather than China. China is best. So we should not ban China. Okay, we should not ban China. Why China should not be banned? Yes, China should be banned. Because computer hardware may be imported from other countries, because other countries' computer hardware are more compatible and the quality is good than China, or maybe made in India also, because many industries are developed to make computer hardware nowadays. So China should be banned and Chinese products should be banned first. So I request all to boycott Chinese products and use only Indian products or other countries' products, because China is a major enemy of India in future than Pakistan, because Pakistan is small country but China is bigger country. Yes, Chinese products should be banned in our the debate, especially between Mr. Achu and Mr. Kadu. As our group name is Debate and Theatre Club, so I tried both in combination. So thank you very much for